Welcome back to Stuff About tutorial. Today we are talking about how to create an account on Roblox. Why would you want to know how to create an account on Roblox? Well, maybe it is your first time using Roblox and not sure how to create an account on Roblox. So today I'm going to show you how to create an account on Roblox. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Creating an account on Roblox is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open Roblox. Now you are seeing login or sign up. If you are new, click on sign up. Enter your date of birth, username. Username must be unique. Write a strong password. Select gender and then click on sign up. Your account has been created. There you go. If you wanted to know how to create an account on Roblox, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.